He faked a relationship with me for TikTok clout, so I made sure he couldn't show his face online again. His name was Miles, but online, he went by @MilesAhead, because of course he did. We met in college, bonded over sarcasm, indie music, and hating everyone else in the dorm. He was charming in that weird, overly rehearsed way, like every sentence had been previewed in the mirror before he said it, but I liked him, genuinely, thought we were friends, until I woke up one day to 93 DMS and a viral TikTok of him pretending to confess his love to me. Caption: when you finally tell your best friend you're in love with them, and they smile like this. And there I was, caught on camera at a cafe, mid-bite of a sandwich, looking confused as hell, because I didn't know he was filming. I didn't know the audio had been dubbed. I didn't know any of it, but everyone else did. The video blew up, 4.6 million views, 300,000 likes, comments like, OMG, he loves you so much, you're so lucky to have him. When are y'all getting married? I wasn't even dating the guy, and that's when I found the rest. He had a whole playlist of us, clips from our hikes, a screenshot of a late-night text I sent that said, get home safe, a slow zoom on me laughing at a joke he didn't write, all framed like some cinematic romance. And the worst part, people believed it. I texted him, dude, take it down. He replied, wait, what? People love it. I tagged you. It's boosting your account too. He thought he was doing me a favor. I told him to delete everything. He blocked me, so I blocked him from ever going viral again. Miles was a content monster. 3 uploads a day, comments turned off, pre-edited transitions, scripted random moments, all to keep his audience invested in the idea that we were in love and that I just hadn't realized it yet. Even after I confronted him, he kept posting. I was the arc, so I decided to end the series myself. First, I made a burner account. At Reality Checkmate, I posted a reply to his confession video. Imagine faking a relationship with someone who told you no and editing their reactions to look like they said yes. Attached was the unedited footage, the raw clip, because guess who had been screen recording the whole time from a friend's phone, just in case Miles ever did something this gross. The original audio, him mumbling, can you look at me and smile real quick? Me going, dude, what? I'm chewing. I posted it, didn't tag him, didn't need to. It found traction on its own. People turned on him, hard. His comments went from OMG couple goals to, this feels like manipulation in 4K. Wait, so none of this was real? This is actually scary. She looks uncomfortable in every video. Then someone posted a side-by-side, all the romantic moments, matched with clips of him saying stuff like, she just doesn't know how she feels yet. It looked predatory. Brands noticed. One sponsorship pulled out, another released a public statement. We take consent seriously. We've ended our partnership with this creator, but I wasn't done. See, Miles had one more trick up his sleeve. A live stream breakup video. Tears, a shaky voice, him saying, she chose fame over love. Except this time, I was ready. I recorded the whole stream, then posted a clip of my screen, side by side with a Google Doc he had accidentally shared with me a month ago titled, Future TikTok Ideas, Drama Arc. In it, fake breakup stream, reunion vid after 2 months apart, apology tour, plus story time, milk it LOL. He planned everything. I didn't even have to say anything. The internet did the rest. He deleted his account 3 days later, created a new one a week after that under a different handle. Didn't work. Someone always recognized him. Now he's still online, just not as a creator, as a meme. The top comment under his old videos now, when your fake love story turns into a real-life horror genre. He turned me into a prop, so I turned his whole career into a cautionary tale. Now the only arc Miles is part of is his own downfall.